your shop, it's always important to have a bunch of different types of lighting. So I've done a couple of reviews on different products you could buy or purchase that will illuminate different areas of your shop. These have actually been one of the best for me. They're small little LED strip lights that are rechargeable, and they actually go off of motion as well. And I bought 2 of these, and I'm so glad I did for a couple products I have. Now these are perfect for your workbench if you don't want a massive light underneath and you want kind of a lesser light or something smaller. These are perfect. These are portable, these are chargeable, things like that. I'll link this down in the description below, but you can plug these in, and as I mentioned, they were motion detected. So I have a parts washer that has a lid that lifts up, and I actually just have this on the roof of the parts washer because it is magnetic and it will stick to that. And the moment I open the parts washer or am even cleaning parts inside it, it will illuminate and I can see everything just fine. These are perfect for even just kitchen cabinets if you're looking for lights underneath that. They come with this strip of metal that you can add adhesive to, which they will also give you the 3M stickies for. And those you can literally attach the strip of metal to something like a wooden cabinet or whatever have you, and this will magnetize right to that strip of metal. So as I mentioned, the battery life is pretty good. Yes, you will have to charge them eventually, but they are motion detected. And there's another setting that will keep them on all of the time. So if you want it to be on constantly, you can also do that. Otherwise, the motion detection works pretty well. And as you can see, they're fairly bright to look at to the eye, and working underneath them with your hands is perfect just the same. They will shut off automatically. Honestly, it's fairly quick. It's about probably 5 full seconds before they'll shut off for the motion detection. So I honestly like that as well because they're not staying on for a full minute or 2 minutes and just wasting more battery life inside of the light. They're about 7.5 inches long, so they're really not that big. And in the middle houses that motion detection sensor. So as I mentioned, definitely get yourself some of these if you're working in a small space or need something to light up your hands while you're working. Lighting up your shop, as I mentioned, is so important, and being able to see the different parts you're working with is just highly sought after when building your shop or improving your shop. The link is down in the description, and definitely go buy yourself 1 or 2 of these as an addition for your shop.